Here are 10 reasons why your licks might suck and how to fix it. Number 1, your vocabulary is limited. If you're playing the same tired phrases, go and learn some new ones. Number 2, not practicing outside your comfort zone. Make sure to always push yourself with new techniques, tempos and styles. Number 3, you don't know when to stop. Sometimes the best notes are the ones you don't play. Leave some space for dynamics. Number 4, you're still using basic, overused patterns. You need to step away from the overused cliches and get creative with your phrasing. Number 5, not using syncopation. Changing up the rhythm even slightly can make your licks way more interesting. Number 6, not repeating the good stuff. If you stumble upon a killer phrase, don't be afraid to milk it. Number 7, only listening to your favourite guitarists. Broaden your influences to bring new ideas into your playing. Number 8, you don't understand modes. Understanding modes gives you a new way to express yourself and it elevates your playing. Number 9, your licks can't be sung. If you can never sing your licks, they're probably too busy. Simple licks that people can hum can often be catchier and therefore more effective. And the final reason you haven't worked for my JTC pack, Stellar Licks. It's packed with everything you need to know to create powerful, memorable licks. Fix these 10 things and watch your licks go from boring to brilliant. Hit that subscribe button for more tips.